So the Congress is understandably feeling betrayed. Lalu is said to be the one ally that was closest to the High Command itself, to both the Prime Minister and the Congress President. Let's go across now to the Congress General Secretary in charge of Bihar, Sushil Kumar Shinde. Mr. Shinde, thanks for your time on the buck stops here. Now, it's clear that the Congress is feeling cheated, but where do you go from here? Are you feeling hurt? Are you feeling angry? How are you going to raise this with Lalu Prasad Yadav?
Yes, it is still excellent. I don't say anything because I said some time back, while talking to the press, that Laluji was the first, to talk to the press and people of the country that Sonia ji is Bahu of this country. Not only he talked in the public, but he talked in both the parliament, in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. He has been talking about Sonia ji very respectfully. And our cordial relation we were having, but while having an alliance during the election of parliament, the last time we had given 4 seats, and this time we are expecting 8 to 9 seats because in UPA government we have given excellent result to this country under the leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh ji and Sonia Gandhi's direction. So all workers were expecting that more seats will be given in this process. Instead, the last year we were given 4, but this year it was curtailed to 3. And that's why there has been very much anger in the mind of the workers. We have no alternative. We have to protect our workers and the party has to go with the workers.
But does that mean that it's over now? And does that mean that you now have the excuse you needed to reach out to Nitish Kumar? What happens now?
You see, as far as the UPA government is concerned, there is no possibility of breaking the relation in the government. But this is the distribution of the tickets. So there has been some misunderstanding and misgivings, and I don't know what exactly happened. Because for last 2 days I was trying to talk, but there was no, a talk between us. And thereby, since our workers have been asking to have more tickets, we have been satisfying our workers to give more tickets. It's not that we may join hands with some other people or so.
What about Ram Vilas Paswan? Are you satisfied with him?
You see, I do not want to say at this stage whether we are happy with this or that. We as a UPA government, it is a cordial relation we have to have and work till the end of the finalization of our election. And so I personally feel still we have a cordial relation. It's a matter of ticket that let us see what happens. We have a couple of days with us.
Okay, but you haven't answered my question. Is Nitish Kumar now an option?
No, it cannot be said at this moment.
So you do not rule it out?
No, that also I cannot say at this moment.
All right, you're really in a tight corner, but I noticed that you did not rule it out, and that's important. Thanks, Sushil Kumar Shinde. So first, it was the Samajwadi Party, then troubles with the NCP, and now RJD. Lalu Prasad Yadav has not commented on the developments and the Congress reaction since then, since the announcement of those seats. But he was standing next to Ram Vilas Paswan. They were once foes, now they're the new best friends. And Ram Vilas Paswan is our newsmaker tonight.